Physics is a study of how the universe works. It seeks to understand motion, energy, forces, and even the smallest particles of matter. This science has evolved over thousands of years, with great thinkers making discoveries that have changed the world. The history of physics begins in ancient Greece, where philosophers asked big questions and proposed interesting ideas about how the world works. Around 400 BCE, Democritus suggested that everything is made of tiny, invisible particles called atoms, though at the time there was no way to prove that. Another important Greek thinker was Aristotle. He believed that objects can only move if they are pushed or pulled. Meanwhile, in India and China, scholars studied motion, heat, and astronomy, and proposed interesting details about how the world works. But the most dramatic changes in physics began in the 1500s and 1600s during the scientific revolution. One of the most important figures was Galileo Galilei. He showed that if there is no air to slow things down, all objects fall at the same speed, no matter their weight. He also improved the telescope and discovered moons orbiting Jupiter, proving that not everything orbited around the Earth like people had thought. In the late 1600s, Isaac Newton developed 3 laws of motion, explaining how objects move and interact. His law of universal gravitation showed that gravity pulls everything together, from apples being pulled to the ground to planets orbiting the sun. In the 1700s and 1800s, scientists made important discoveries on electricity, magnetism, and energy. Michael Faraday discovered that moving a magnet through a coil of wire creates electricity. This led to the invention of electric generators and motors. Meanwhile, Lord Kelvin, Rudolf Clausius, and James Joule studied heat and energy. They developed the field of thermodynamics, which explains how energy moves and changes. In 1905, Albert Einstein introduced the revolutionary theory of relativity. It impacted many aspects of physics. He showed that space and time are connected, and that time can slow down when objects move at very high speeds. His famous equation, energy equals mass times the speed of light squared, revealed that mass can turn into energy, which was crucial to the development of nuclear bombs. At the same time, scientists studied atoms and discovered that they were not invisible, as Democritus had thought. Niels Bohr created the model of the atom, showing that electrons orbit the nucleus in specific energy levels. Werner Heisenberg and Erwin Schrödinger developed quantum mechanics, which explains the strange behavior of tiny particles. Today, physicists are still searching for answers. Some of the things they study include dark matter and dark energy, which are mysterious substances that make up most of the universe but cannot be seen. Physics has come a long way since ancient Greece, and new discoveries continue to change our understanding of reality. And this is the story of physics, an incredible journey of discovery that will continue forever. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos about space and science.